So you have the Vactidy V9 Blitz cordless vacuum. I'm going to go through all the frequently asked questions I was seeing. I saw, can you charge it with the battery in the vacuum so you don't have to take the whole thing apart to charge it? I also saw, can you buy replacement parts for this vacuum or get spare batteries? And then the final question was, how do you take it apart, or can you even take it apart if you want to clean it? So I'm going to answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So for that first question, can you charge it without taking it apart? So yes, they make it very easy. The charging port is right there. So, I mean, you can remove the battery. All you gotta do is press the open button. You can pull it right off. If you wanna just keep it on there, throw it on the charger, you can do that too. Plugs in right there, and you can charge it however you want. Now for the second question, can you buy replacement parts? If you ever need, a new brush head, a vacuum stick, another battery, whatever you need, yes, the company does sell that. You can buy them in the same spot you bought the vacuum, so they make it very simple to do if you would ever need to replace the parts or you just want to get some new ones down the road. And now for the final question was, can you take it apart when you want to clean it? So yes, you can. They make it really easy. So the top part, you'll be able to see here, all you got to do is twist it, and that'll allow you to take out the HEPA filter on top, just like that. If you want to put it back in there, it goes in just as easy as well. And now for the actual inner components of it, all you need to do is press this button right here, and that'll allow you to unlock it. You can open it up, and there's a second filter in here. If you ever want to clean this or just replace it, they actually give you a replacement one, so you don't have to worry about buying another one. And then to get to the actual bottom of this, you can just open it up, twist it, and it'll come right out. So you can clean the whole dust cup, do whatever you want. They make it really easy. And then to put it back together, it literally just twist it back in there, pop it into place, filter back on, twist it back in there, lock it up, and we're good to vacuum again. So everything's really, really simple with it. But overall, this is an awesome vacuum. It kind of gives you that luxury feel of those high-end vacuums that are cordless, long run time, so you can vacuum your whole house. My house is 2,000 square feet, and I can easily do that on one charge. And the best part about it was the price point. So it was really affordable. I didn't want to drop a whole bunch of money on a vacuum, but I definitely wanted to spend a little bit of money on it and get something that's versatile so I can clean the whole house, furniture, under my couch, carpet, everything at once, and make it really simple. So 2 thumbs up for me.